Is that my cat? My cat's whining. Let me actually check on the cat to see what it's up to. Cause I heard like a sad meow. Hold on. Huh. The cat's not at my door anymore. So probably walked off somewhere else. Okay, I hear my cat again. What the hell is that sound? Hold on. Mar. 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 No! No! No. No. No, 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 no. No. You're not allowed inside. Bye-bye. There's this cat doing cat things. Okay, so remember I said I borrowed my producer's cat? My producer's cat was bullying my kitten. It was like, okay, you're small. I'm gonna squash you and sit on top of you. So I was like... like, bro. My producer's cat is huge, by the way. And my kitten is like, you know, obviously a kitten is just a kitten. So, my producer's cat was like, oh, you're noisy. I'm just gonna sit on you. And then it was literally like a big cat, like this squashed. Like, and then the kitten's just like under the big cat and being like, save me. Like,